What is up, everybody? Up early in the morning. You guys know what time that means. That means car show, car meet, something like that. And today we're going to import face-off with the GTR. Let's get it. All right, so we made it out here to import face-off. The car, we wiped it down, but it's full of pollen again. But the lineup's pretty good. We got the Cartoons fam here. You already know. Racing going on over there, but overall good time. We'll probably film some of the cars, but really we're just gonna enjoy as much as we can. Hopefully nobody fights or tries to shoot anybody this year, but we'll see. So I'm gonna show you, if I was a judge, how I would judge Musgrove TC. First, we're gonna come over here, show them right here. This dookie spot right here, like, you couldn't take a Sharpie and just paint match that? Negative points. Come over here. We got this dent. This is actually the crater that took out the dinosaurs. It's right here. You can probably see it from like your house. Then the inside's kind of clean, but we got over here. Come over here. You got all this stuff down here, dirty. All these wires, like, put all this money into this car and can't even do a wire tug properly. This red doesn't match this red. The battery doesn't match the other red. It's like, spend all this money on this car, and what for? Doesn't even have three-piece wheels. I don't even think those speakers in the back work. That's another whole nother thing. But yeah, if I was judging his car, solid 1 barnacle boy out of 17 SpongeBobs. Super low on the scale. But yeah, we'll go on to the next car now. All right, so right here we have Mike's F30. Let me show you again. If I was the judge, right here, what is this? Looks like custom dookie holes. I don't even know what's going on here. The green, I don't know. It looks like you kind of took a bunch of different limes and threw it at the car. Got like one green here, one green there, some other green there. Like, dude, just choose a green. I don't know why. We've got these sensors aren't even cut out. Like, he's not sensing anything with that. All this money, and he won't tell you, but it's just a 428. So I'm pretty sure it's got like an inline 3, fucking Eco Boost diesel, whatever. Oh shit! Watch out. Then we come over here. Oh my God, he's living out of his car over here. All this shit in the back. Got all that dirt. Different colors. What is this? What are those? The steering wheel. What happened? Oh my God. Oh, the door jams.
2 subscribers.
And then,
you guys are awesome.
Oh, all 8 of my subscribers are dope. But then he painted the car this color. He primered it, but then he didn't have enough money for the paint, so he's just like, throw some clear on the primer, and we'll call it a day. The roof, what is this? We all know this is not real carbon fiber because, you know, we got all the fucking sunroof in there. And then, for somebody who loves Mexican food, Mike over here is the most uncultured motherfucker I've ever met.
That's me.
But yeah, I'd give this car a solid 2 Digimons out of 10,000 Jigglypuffs. Super low on the scale. But let's go on to the next car. All right, we got the low car limbo. We're gonna be with Dan, supporting him. See if we can take this dub for him. There he is over there. Should be easy day, should be easy day. Let's do this thing.
There, what's this? We've got a slow turnaround.
See?
That's fine, that's fine. Mazda, let's hit pause. We don't want to go under just yet. Let's see what the holdup is over there.
This round 1.
If all my models are here, then why are we taking slow over there? Normally that's what stops traffic, is when you know.
That's easy.
I love your ink, by the way. That's a lot of it. Did you leave some tattoo for the rest of us? Oh, they did really good line work. Just yet, but we'll see how this is going to happen. Pop up and down headlights. Pop up and down headlights. All right. I think we're good. That prelude has moved forward enough. Red Mazda, come join. Come join. And Miss Blondie, let's keep that hair down. There you go. Because if you hit, I'm a D-bag. I'll be like, no, sorry. Pretty blonde girl got you disqualified.
And they
we got people back there.
Round.
Hi, guys. How's that oxygen? All right, here we go. Here we go. You can't see mine your way?
Good, good.
I'm just trying not to squeal.
Hell yeah.
Good job, good job. Ladies are getting close. Like, what perfume is that? I can smell it.
That was round 2. Let's see how far we can
Boxer
get.
engine, rear-wheel drive, Xenon.
All right, so we're wrapping up import face-off. We took 2 here. Best car that nobody knows about. No, I'm just kidding. Scion and Mazda with my boy Dan's first appearance here. Actually, double Dan. That's double D's right there. So we got it. But yeah, we took 2 today, so that's good. We'll catch you on the next one. I'll definitely show more of this Miata that we literally put together this morning. But it's dope. Good time. You guys already know what to do. We'll catch you on the next one.